Welcome and thank you for watching Andrean's virtual tour. You'll learn a lot in this video, and thank you for attending. Andrean's faith-based family environment empowers and transforms students, faculty, and staff to serve God and others in the world. We stay true to our Catholic faith, and we welcome people from diverse religious and faith backgrounds. At Andrean, we live out our Catholic faith through student-created prayer, monthly all-school masses, annual class retreats, reconciliation services, and student formation days, and celebrating our diversity by offering an environment which values the dignity of all people.
Faith is all we do all the time. So we start our class with prayer, we ask for intentions, and then everything we do revolves around faith. So in the theology department, we try to balance the academic aspect of theology with the faith element of theology. So we want them to understand that theology is not just an academic discipline, but also a way of life.
I really just feel like in school, they always base everything off God with faith, being honest, everything you really do. Every class we start off with a prayer, praying for everything like COVID, things like that. I just really think this has really furthered me, and every single day I just go home learning something else.
Andrean has definitely helped impact my faith in the fact that before coming here, I knew of God, but I didn't feel like I had a strong relationship with God. Now that I'm here, I definitely feel that my relationship has grew stronger with God. I mean, in our classes, I say the prayer every day. I'm going to do announcements tomorrow for school. Like, it's just really fun, and I feel like that God has definitely helped me along the way, and Andrean has changed me into a more spiritual person.
Andrean prepares students for their future. Andrean has been A-rated since 2011, along with multiple National Merit Scholars and National Merit Scholarship finalists throughout the years. Andrean's learning environment was voted #1 private school in Lake County, Indiana by the Times Best of the Region and the Post-Tribune's Neighbor's Choice Awards in 2020. Andrean's rigorous classroom environment builds lifelong skills such as note-taking and time management, study strategies, and critical thinking, and a wide variety of teaching styles.
A piece of advice I would give to a student that's pondering Andrean would be to look at themselves and ask them, is being successful a goal? And that Andrean is a place that can provide them with that help.
Outside of the learning environment, Andrean offers students opportunities for transformation and growth in athletics, theater, arts, student government, and many more extracurricular opportunities. Students discover and develop their academic, personal, and professional potential at Andrean High School.
Well, you can always get help from coaches and teachers. They're always open to help you out if you ever need help with anything. Like for football, we have study tables before practices on Tuesdays where we go and we do like our homework and study for like 45 minutes before practice. And there's available time periods where we're able to do that kind of stuff, so we are able to balance it out.
We're here to help. Like I said, it's a tight community. It's a great family here. Everybody will respect one another here and wants to bring the best out of the students, but also to bring the best from its staff as well too.
Service at Andrean is more than an obligation, it's a ministry. Service flows from our motto, Christ is my teacher. Christ calls us to serve others. In serving others, we continue to discover our gifts and talents. We are transformed in those encounters with others to gain an understanding of others.
Andrean is called to serve. It's in our baptismal call, it's in our educational mission. We're called to be in community with one another. We're called to serve one another, whether that be walking together down the street, whether that be assisting a brother in need, whether that be fighting against injustice. We are called to serve one another.
Andrean's learning environment prepares students for success beyond high school with college-level courses. Andrean offers students concurrent enrollment partnerships with Calumet College of St. Joseph, Purdue Northwest, and the Advanced College Project through Indiana University Bloomington.
All the teachers make sure that they keep it hands-on to where they make sure that you work hard. And so they try to make their classroom environment 100% to where you can find whatever you need, whatever resources you need, and it's getting you into the habit of, doing the freedom of doing things your own way, and like you'll find in college.
I've learned that I can really just grow up to be whatever I want to be, and I can do whatever I want to if I put my mind to it and I really believe in myself.
Me and my parents, we felt like this was the best school for me because it had the best education, and that's always first. Basketball came second. So we just focused on education and trying to build myself as a better person and athlete.
An Andrean education provides a solid foundation for students' post-high school experience. According to the Indiana Commission for Higher Education, Andrean honors graduates earn a 3.1 GPA in their freshman year of college. Andrean students also earn an average of 31 college credit hours compared to the state average of 27.52 college credit hours.
I want to graduate with a good GPA, so my GPA now is around like 3.5. I want to be at least like 3.7, that's my goal. I want to graduate, go to college, and then go to law school after, and then maybe, just maybe go to the military and probably be an officer, like maybe a lawyer for the military maybe.
A Catholic education is important because it allows you to look deep into yourself and figure out what your morals are as a person.
Andrean High School offers professional internship experiences to apply their academics in a real-world environment. Andrean currently offers internships in aviation, nursing, marketing, occupational and physical therapy, and much more.
So I picked working at the airport for my internship because ever since I was a little kid, I never changed what I wanted to do. I never wanted to be a fireman, never wanted to be an astronaut. All I've wanted to do since I was a little kid was fly. And overall, Andrean really prepared me for getting my pilot's license and then a future full of aviation.
They have helped me a lot, honestly. Just, I would say mainly the internship, because, you know, you're learning after like real life professionals who are like really good at this, and you know, you're getting the first-hand view of what's going on in like the real life society, how people make the living out of their profession. So I could say the internship program has really helped me out a lot.
In the fall of 2020, Andrean will offer before-school transportation for students living in North Lake County, South Lake County, and Porter County.
At Andrean High School, our mission is to transform the world in positive, prophetic ways through faith, learning, leadership, and service.
A piece of advice that I would give to a student who's thinking about coming to Andrean would be just to stop by and see what we have to offer. Come to an open house, come to meet a Niner night, come meet our students and our teachers. It might change your perspective on Andrean a lot.
Andrean is different because it's smaller and it's also a private school. It being a private school brings me closer to God, and having the ability to pray every day with my friends just makes me feel more connected to God. And it being smaller just helps me interact with the teachers more, and also allows the teachers to interact with the students and help them and just help each other out. Over the past 4 years, I've just realized how many connections and relationships that I've made because of the Andrean family environment, the inviting environment that is here.
The fact that we are a family, that we do discuss these things, the fact that we stress aspects of development that are outside of learning, that include moral development, spiritual development, a sense of community, that we bring a diverse set of students to school here, which allows us to see people of different backgrounds, and we learn how to communicate with people of different backgrounds. And these are all things that are important for any leader.
I decided to come to Andrean because I really looked up and looked forward to coming and being a part of the family, and my mom came here as well as my uncle.
When I put on a 59er uniform, I just think of the tremendous pride that I have to be able to come here, for my parents to enroll me here in such a good school, because I know that I'm getting the best education, the best athletic help, and the best everything that I need in my life.
So one thing I wish people knew more about Andrean is how welcoming everyone is. I know people stress that a lot, but it's a really important thing here at Andrean, and I feel like they execute it very well, and everyone just makes you feel like you belong.
Andrean's a place that you'll never experience anywhere else. It's a place where you can be yourself, you'll find your people, you'll find teachers who accept you for who you are, and you get to just basically be the person you want to be in a comfortable environment that pushes you and makes you the best version of yourself.
Thank you for watching our virtual tour. To learn more, visit andreanhs.org.